So it is given that in right triangle ABC, right angle at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. C is joined to C is joined to M and produced to a point D such that DM equal to CM. Point D is joined to point B. Show that. So basically, this question is very important for the exam point of view. Is it, this is NCERT based question. So how we can solve first? For the first step, I will take in triangle AMC and triangle BMD, right? So both the triangle, according to the given information, what I can write, I can say AM equal to BM, right? Because it says na ki M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. So this information is given. Second, DM equal to CM. Again we have given. And third one is, can anyone tell? We should be equal.
2 is equal to
2 equals to 1.
Yes, 2 equal to 1, or I can write angle AMC is equal to angle BMD by vertically opposite angle. So by SAS congruency, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. This is the first part. Now, how to solve second part? We have to prove angle DBC is a right angle. So, anyone has idea? By not
Sir,
getting
we
your
can
voice again.
say DBC and ACB is 180.
Yes,
Co-interior.
because very good, very good, right? Because see, if the triangle is congruent, AMC and BMD is congruent, it means I can write BD is equal to AC by CPCT, है ना? And angle ACM is equal to angle BDM. So this is the case of alternate interior angle, right? So accordingly, I can say BD is parallel to AC. If both lines are parallel, so I can write angle DBC plus angle ACB is 180 degree by co-interior angle. By co-interior angle, and we have already given AC angle is 90 degree. So angle DBC plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So accordingly, I can write angle DBC will be equal to 90 degree. This is the second part. Now discuss about third part. In the third part, what we have to prove? Angle triangle DBC, which means this one, is congruent to triangle ACB. So take these two triangle DBC and ACB. So these two triangle, we have a lot of information to prove it. What should we write first? Should I write DB equal to AC? Prove the work. Already we have proved this. Second information we have angle DBC is equal to angle ACB, right? 90 degree each. Third one, BC common, BC equal to CB common. So again I can write by SAS congruency, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Even we could use more concepts. Instead of taking angle DBC, you can take DBC or ACB, BDC and CAB. And even we have a lot of information, so you can use anything. Now fourth one. So the fourth part is CM is equal to half of AB. So if these two triangles are congruent, in the third case we have done DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. It means by CPCT I can write AB equal to CD. Am I right? So when you divide by half both the sides, so half of AB equal to half of CD. So half of AB is what? Half of AB we will write as it is, and half of CD is CM. So we got CM equal to half of AB. Is this clear? And believe me, this is very important question for you. So many times the question came in the school exam.